Alright, so we're back at it with this lawnmower. Carburetor's giving me fits. I've pulled it apart, replaced O-rings and gaskets and the anti-diesel solenoid, and I just said, I'm just gonna order another one. $21 off of Amazon. It comes with the spark plug, fuel lines, a filter, a cutoff valve, air filter, all kinds, and comes with the anti-diesel solenoid. I'm not gonna mess with I just replaced all this stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the carburetor. I think I got some bad fuel. The fuel was, or the gas was sitting in my gas can for a long time, and I think it got water in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain that and dispose of that properly and fill it up with some new fresh fuel. And of course I put the choke linkage on upside down and it bound up. That's the choke linkage right there. When you push the throttle all the way up to choke, it pushes this lever, which in turn closes the choke. But when you release the throttle to take it off choke, the choke doesn't return. So I'm gonna have to figure out a spring for that. Super simple, just a couple 7/16 nuts, the breather tube, and then you saw these studs are held on, or these studs have a 5/16 hex on them to pull them off the intake tube. 2 3/8 headed bolts there, diesel solenoid. Super simple, especially if you don't mess the choke up. All right, so I drained all the old fuel, put some new fuel in it, so now we're gonna fire it up and see what we got. I tried messing around with the spring that came on the choke, and I just couldn't get it to work, so I just rigged this up. We'll see how long it lasts, but the mower is running fine. So other than messing that up and hooking the choke linkage up completely backwards, upside down, this was a 5-minute ordeal. $21 from Amazon, and the mower runs 1,000 times better. Well, we are on our way to getting this $400 Facebook Marketplace mower running good. I cut the grass earlier. It ran so nice with the new carb, and other than those couple little hiccups of installing it, you know, if you just pay attention, unlike I did, this is a super straightforward swap for 21 bucks off of Amazon. You can't beat it. I cut the grass in my backyard. It did so well, and then of course it started raining, so I had to quit. But next up on the agenda is replacing this front axle. So I've gotten a lot of comments about, like, why would you buy a piece of crap lawnmower and try to fix it up? New lawnmowers are so expensive, and I just wanted to show video by video, you know, like how to just keep your lawnmower going or get it running, something that's been sitting in the yard forever. It's really simple, just hand tools and a little bit of knowledge. So if you like this content and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks.